Okay, we're going to have a look at our first lesson this week is on indices. And so if you take down the today's date and take down the title, indices. And we're going to just work through the examples in your book on page 63. So first of all, it's page 63, and we're going to do example 1A. 5 with a wee 2 means 5 times 5, which is 25. Part B, 2 with a wee 3, sorry, that's a 5. 2 with a wee 5. You write the 2 out 5 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Part C, 3 with a wee 3 means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 3s are 9 times another 3, 27. Part D, 10 with a wee 4 means 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Example 2, from your booklets, you have got 2 7 times. So if you just write that down in your books for your notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Part B is 9, which is 3 squared because 3 3s are 9. Part C is 1,000. That's the same as 10 cubed because 10 times 10 times 10 does give you 1,000. Part D, 5 with a wee 3 means 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. And the last thing for your notes, example 3A, 2 with a wee 5. Now I'm going to show you a button on your calculator which might help here. You can write this out 5 times, but the chances are you might make a wee mistake. So if your calculator is the same as mine, if you put in 2, and this here button is your power button, so 2 to the power of 5, and if you work that out, you get 32. So it does it instantly. So part B, 2 with a wee 3. Again, you can do it out the long way, or you can go 2, that wee power button, 3 to give you 8. And part C is wanting you to take your answer of 2 to the 5 and divide it by 2 to the 3. So take your 32 and divide it by 8, which gives you 4. Now, part D is a little bit more complicated. It's asking you to take your answer for part C and write it in terms of indices. Now, 4 is the same as 2 squared. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a wee look at what is coming up. If you look at example 3, now if I do it again, if I take 2 to the 5 and if I divide it by 2 to the 3, what I did in part C, I get 4, which is the same as 2 to the 2. Now if you look, there's a wee pattern there. 2 to the 5 divided by 2 to the 3 gives me 2 to the 2. If you subtract these indices, you get 2. And that's what we're coming on to next lesson. So don't worry too much about this. We will check this out next lesson. So now I would like you to go into your booklets and I would like you to go to page 64. I would like you to do questions 1 and 2 and then go on to page 65. And if you could do all of page 65 and page 66, we'll do just question 9. So I will just put photographs up of the answers so you won't have to watch the videos because I think it all should be okay for you.